Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to search on TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your TikTok app. On the home page of your TikTok, at the top right corner, you're going to see a search option. You just have to click on it. Clicking on it, you just have to type in the particular thing you want to search. Let me see, I'm searching for Squad Game 2. So now on your search, you can see it will bring out the top viewed content on that particular topic that you want to search for, and bring out the top users of that content. You're going to see option for users. These are the top users of that Squad Game 2, and you're going to see different videos on that too. These are different videos on Squad Game 2, the top videos on Squad Game 2. You're going to also see photos on Squad Game 2. These are different photos on Squad Game 2. You're going to see also the sounds on Squad Game 2. There are different sounds on Squad Game 2. You can just select the particular sound you want through here. You can also see live on Squad Game 2. These are people that went live on Squad Game 2 to present a content. We also have places on Squad Game 2. These are different places: amusement park, coffee shop, and so on. We also have hashtag on Squad Game 2. These are different hashtag on Squad Game 2. So guys, that is it on how to search for a particular topic or content on your TikTok app. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.